This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the AMC naked shorters do not stop the shenanigans. Now they have another FUD article trying to get us to sell our AMC shares to them at a discounted rate, and a lot of retail investors are not having it. They look at these articles and they just laugh. I look at these articles and I just laugh. I mean, every other day there's a new article telling us that we need to sell our shares because the meme stock magic is gone. AMC shares slides. And we all know why AMC shares slide. AMC shares slide because of the fraud and corruption in the market. AMC shares slide because they created billions or trillions of counterfeit AMC shares. AMC shares slide because of all the fraud and corruption in the market, and the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI turn a blind eye to the fraud and corruption. If AMC is sliding, if AMC has no money, why do they have $1.5 billion for upgrades on AMC theaters? Where's that money coming from if they're not making any money? If AMC slides, why does AMC spend $100 million on soda machines? AMC is making money hand over fist. They have multiple streams of income. But Adam Aaron is spending the money as fast as he can get his hands on it. And you know who this helps? This helps the naked shorters because it gives them something to talk about. Because the earning reports not looking as good as they should. Are we beating the analysts' expectations? Of course we are. But should we be knocking it out the park? Yes, we should be. But Adam Aaron, the more money that comes in, the more ways he finds to spend the money. Okay? The more money that comes in, the more ways he finds to spend the money. And that, in my opinion, has a negative impact on the stock price. And not a negative impact on the stock price directly, but it gives the bad actors a reason to continue their criminal activity. Okay? They utilize that nonsense to double and triple down on the criminality. And anybody who's paying attention, anybody who opens their eyes and investigates a little tiny bit can see all the fraud and corruption in the AMC play. I mean, the fraud and corruption, in my opinion, is overwhelming. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm just telling you that the bad actors that are manipulating the stock, that are pushing the price down, that I believe are engaging in manipulation by pushing out these articles, should all be under investigation. If these guys were doing this same type of activity in a stock that was majority owned by institutions, it would never be allowed. There would be an investigation. There would be indictments. There would probably be people in handcuffs because they would not allow the bad actors to rob other one percenters. And I've said this multiple times before. The purpose of the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI, in my opinion, and this is just my opinion, is not to protect retail investors, not to protect pension funds, not to protect institutions that follow the rules. The role of these agencies is to make sure the one percenters play fair with each other. They don't care when they don't play fair with us. They are not concerned. And I'm not even 100% sure that we can even find justice in the courts. And that's absolutely horrible that I would even think that way. Okay? That's absolutely horrible that I don't even think we can find justice in the courtroom. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. But I do believe that their liquidity is running out. I believe the banks are hanging on by their fingernails. And I believe all these FUD articles that they're putting out to try to get us to sell or try to get new investors from piling in, I don't think it will be successful because we are educated to their grift after 4 years of this play. And I believe the bad actors are going to be held accountable. I believe the liquidity is going to run out. I believe the banks are going to crash. And I believe eventually they're going to have to cover those billions or trillions of counterfeit AMC shares. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think every other day there's a new FUD article trying to get us to sell our AMC shares or get new investors from coming in to buy AMC? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.